Welcome to the learning module on safe handling of compressed oxygen gas cylinder. Please note, the information in this video is general and for safety awareness only. You have to follow your company procedure. Let us know the hazards of pressurized oxygen gas cylinder. Oxygen gas is compressed and is stored in gas cylinder under pressure. This potential pressure energy stored in it can cause serious consequences if not handled safely. If the cylinder gets damaged or its valve gets detached, the pressure from the cylinder starts releasing and may create rocket effect, and cylinder can fly and move in any direction and cause serious incidents. Let us first know the properties of oxygen gas. Oxygen gas is colorless and odorless. It is present as gas with concentration 21% in the atmospheric air. It do not burn but supports burning. Reacts violently with oil and grease and burn them. It is heavier than air and tends to travel towards ground. It is a strong oxidizing agent. It is partly soluble in water at normal temperature. Let us see the oxygen gas cylinder incident scenario. The oxygen cylinders are being transported in an unsafe manner and it is a wrong and dangerous practice. Suddenly, one cylinder fell down from the vehicle and there is potential to damage to the cylinder. The oxygen cylinder fell down and hit the ground and its valve got detached and the cylinder started flying like rocket and there is potential that it can cause further serious incident. The oxygen cylinders are being transported in an unsafe manner and it is wrong and a very dangerous practice. In this scenario, the oxygen cylinder is being carried on shoulder and shifted from one location to other location in the workplace in an unsafe manner and it is wrong and dangerous practice. In this scenario, the oxygen cylinder is being rolled on floor for shifting to other location in the workplace in an unsafe manner and it is also a wrong and very dangerous practice. While carrying the oxygen cylinder on shoulder for shifting to other location, the person got slipped and fell on the ground with the cylinder. The cylinder hit the ground and its valve got detached and the cylinder started flying like rocket. And there is potential that it can hit and cause injury to people and or cause damage to the property. Handling and use. The oxygen cylinder shall be transported by dedicated trucks only. Truck driver shall be trained on hazards and controls. The cylinder shall be adequately supported during handling. Conveyors, trolleys, and cradles of adequate strength shall, as far as possible, be used when moving the cylinder, and care shall be taken to avoid any damage to the cylinder valve. The cylinders shall be handled carefully and not to be allowed to fall upon one another or otherwise subjected to any undue shock. Sliding, dropping, or playing with cylinder is prohibited. The cylinders used in horizontal position shall be so secure that they cannot roll. In case of leak, keep the cylinder in well ventilated area. Oxygen gas cylinders shifting using hand trolleys. The cylinder shall be shifted safely using specific hand trolleys. Oxygen gas cylinder transportation. The cylinders shall be transported safely in dedicated truck. Storage of oxygen cylinders. The oxygen cylinders shall be stored in a cool, dry, well-ventilated place under cover, away from boilers, open flames, steam pipes, or any potential source of heat, and such place of storage shall be easily accessible. The cylinders shall not be stored under direct sun. The cylinders shall not be stored under conditions which will cause them to corrode. The cylinders shall not be stored along with any combustible material. Empty cylinders shall be segregated from the filled one and care shall be taken that all the valves are tightly shut. Oxygen gas cylinder storage area. It is adequately ventilated and with a notice that only authorized persons are allowed to enter this area. No hot job near this area and no other material shall be stored in this area. No oil or grease shall be applied on cylinders. Cylinders shall be adequately secured to avert fall and no other than oxygen cylinder shall be stored here. Precautions. Do not change the color of the cylinder. The oxygen cylinder shall not be filled with any other gas than the one it now contains. No flammable material should be stored in the close vicinity of oxygen cylinder or in the same room in which it is kept. No oil or similar lubricant shall be used on the valves or other fittings of the oxygen cylinder. Please look for the next date of test, which is marked on metal ring inserted between the valve and the neck of the cylinder. And if this date is over, do not accept the cylinder for filling. The hand gloves shall be free from contamination like oil and grease, as this may catch fire in contact with oxygen leak if any. Warning: no oil or grease or any lubricant shall be used on oxygen gas cylinders, as it may cause violent blast and fire. Remember, prevention is better than cure. Thank you for watching.